Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to update Defender security on Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here from your start menu, right click on it, and this is going to pump up. Then go to settings, and this is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to update and security, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to the sidebar right here. Go to Windows Security. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to Open Windows Security. Then it's going to take you right here. Then under Firewalls and Threat Protection, next thing you need to do is to simply click on Update. So updates might take some time before they load completely. Just make sure that you are connected to internet and allow the updates to load up completely. Then from there, your PC is going to be protected against any threat, whether online or software threat, without any threat. So basically, this is how to check updates and update your virus and threat protection on Windows laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Windows tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.